How's it going, everyone? Just wanted to make this video to go over my trading log for anyone that gets it. Um, Basically, this is your dashboard, which is where you'll spend most of your time. It shows you, analytics and, graphs of your portfolio balance. But we're going to start with trade entry. So this is where you'll enter your trades. So for example, let's say we traded tomorrow, 413, say QQQ. Volume is how many that you traded. Let's say we traded 2 contracts. We went call, traded from 8, let's say 30 seconds to 8:15:30 right there. Let's say our entry was 1, our exit was 1.3, our stop was 0.9, and our target, let's say, was 1.25. And our setup, you can adjust these here. I'll go over everything you can adjust in a little bit. But our setup, let's say, was break and retest, and our rating, this is 1 through 5. Let's say it was a pretty good trade, we'll give it a 4. Just hit this record button, records it right here for you, and then automatically updates everything else, as you can see here. So that is where you'll enter trades, a few instructions there. Your trading log is just a list of all the entries that you have taken. Your stats gives you a bunch of stats. Winning trades, losing trades, largest profit, duration you're in trades, trade expectancy, stuff like that. Journal, this is where you'll just record basic screenshots of your trades, see what worked and see what didn't. So now for this, portfolio balance, obviously you start with your initial values here, and it will just track your balance for you. This is your cumulative P&L, so how much you've gained or lost since you've had this account. And this is your profit by date, so it'll show you which days you're profitable, and it kind of reflects it right there. For switching months, it'll work exactly like this. So if you're in March, April, it automatically does it. Sometimes there's this blank, you just have to get rid of that. But this is the really cool feature about it. So like, let's say you wanted to select only a month, you could look in April or March, and this will update. Let's say you wanted to see just last week, so the 4th through the 8th. Just go over here, 4th through the 8th, you can see how you did. And then you can reset the filters there. Like I said, the blank comes up. Let's say you just wanted to see how you did on SPY only. You can filter that, or NVIDIA. Or let's say you want to see AMD, NVIDIA, and SPY. It'll do that. Or you can also do on your setup. So like, let's say, obviously break and retest has more wins, right? Versus, let's see how we did on a bounce, not as well. So you can kind of optimize how you trade that way. So the things that you can change on this main page, it's right here, the date, and you can adjust these filters to look at some stats. You can adjust all of these and these, so your rules and your setups, these will automatically update here. Your initial date you start, your balance, fees per contract, and then growth desired. I haven't added anything with that, but that is basically it. The only thing that changes throughout some of the trackers is like with futures. I don't know which futures you're trading, so you just fill out this table here with what you're trading, and then it will reference it from the formula in here to there. So I hope that helps. If you guys have any questions, please reach out. Thank you.